Welcome! In this video, we are going to look at problem 70. It is from the Chapter 3 Review Exercises of College Algebra by OpenStax. Okay, and we need to find an inverse function. And we need to find the inverse for f of x is x divided by the quantity x plus 2. Okay, so first off, we need to make sure that f is 1-to-1. And I plotted it in Desmos, and it is 1-to-1. Okay, and then next we are going to set y equal to f of x. So y is equal to f of x, and f of x is x over x plus 2. So y is equal to x divided by x plus 2. Okay, now we need to solve for x. So we will solve for x. Okay, we have y is x over x plus 2. So let's multiply both sides by x plus 2. Okay, we distribute the y through. We get xy plus 2y. On the right-hand side, the x plus 2's will cancel, and we're just left with x. Okay. Let's subtract an x from both sides. So now we have x times y minus x plus 2y is equal to 0. Let's subtract the 2y from both sides. So now we have x times y minus x is equal to minus 2y. Okay, we can factor out an x. We get x times y minus 1 is minus 2y. So we can multiply our x through and check that we have the line above. So xy gives us the xy. X times minus 1 gives us the minus x back. So we're good. Now we just need to divide by y minus 1. And so we get x is minus 2y over y minus 1. Okay, that's step 2, solving for x. Now step 3, all we have to do is interchange. So I'll put it up here. Interchange x and y. Okay, so we have x is equal to minus 2y over y minus 1. And all we need to do is where we see an x, we put y. And where we see y, we put x. So we get y equals minus 2x over x plus 1. And so now we can say f inverse of x is equal to minus 2x over x minus 1. And that is our final answer. I hope you found that helpful and informative. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.